Hey guys, welcome to TechSavior, and today in this video we are going to unbox and review a small product from Pepperfry.com, which is a vintage gramophone miniature model by which you can customize your table or you can use it to decorate your house. So without ado, let's unbox the product and see inside the package. Here in the box we can see the base of the gramophone, which is wrapped by a plastic bag, and here is the horn, which is wrapped by a plastic bag and also with a paper. And lastly we can see a knob which will be used to connect the horn to the base. Now let's take off the wrappers and see the contents properly. The base part is mostly made out of wood, and there are some components that are made of metal and are embossed in the base part. And here is the horn, which is made with two accent colors, which makes it more interesting. Now assembling it is very easy. Firstly, you just have to put the small part of the knob into the other knob which is attached to the base, and then put the smaller end of the horn into the bigger end of the knob, and it's done. And here you can see there are multiple movable parts exist in this gramophone. For example, the horn itself can be moved from right to left or to left to right by 360 degree. And here is the recorder, which actually doesn't work, but you can move upward and downward. And lastly, the lever, which can be rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise. And after looking at the product, I have not seen any defects, but I can see a small scratch over here, but it didn't bother me because I got this product in a very cheap price. The whole product is made in a very precise way, and you can see details over every part of this product. The horn looks very beautiful and shining, and brush and steel metal are used alternately to make it more beautiful and attractive. And talking about the base, they have not mentioned about the woods, but it looks sturdy and hard. And here in the base part you can see a metal plate which are embossed in the wood, makes it more classic and feels like a masterpiece. So now let's talk about the price. The MRP of the product is rupees 599, but I got it for only 109 rupees during the sale of Pepperfry. And I found this product very great, attractive and classic, and which can be used for decoration. And obviously you cannot use this product to listen to music. And not just this, I also received two other products which cost me only rupees 10 for each, and the videos of those products are already uploaded on the channel. You can check them, or I will leave the cards over here. You can watch directly by clicking here. So thank you for watching this video, and if you find the videos helpful, then press the like button, and if you come for the first time, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.